A few months back, I had transformed this dresser. After stripping, sanding, restaining, priming, and painting, unfortunately, it sat in my house for the past 3 months and never sold. I tried deleting and relisting in different areas, listing with free delivery, restaging, and for whatever reason, it just never sold. I could have waited a little bit longer or even tried to delete the listing and try reposting it at a later time, but I like to believe that it had to do with one, the combination of the colors, and two, the fact that it didn't have any hardware. I intentionally left it with no hardware because it has pulls built into the bottom of each drawer where you can pull it open from. But I was truly convinced that there was no way this dresser was going to sell unless I redid it once again. So here we are. The first thing I wanted to address was actually changing the shape of the front base or trim. I thought maybe the base seemed a little bit dated with the little scalloped details, so I measured with my square and a scrap piece of wood and marked out where I would be cutting. I used my jigsaw to remove the unwanted wood. I then used 60 grit sandpaper and my orbital sander to sand it down as straight as possible. I moved on to scuff sanding the rest using 220 grit. I used some 2-part Bondo wood filler to fill in any of the chipped veneer that I caused from altering the base. The color of the dresser needed to change in my opinion, so I chose the color Licorice, which is a true black from the Beyond paint line. Since I will be spraying it, I decided to water it down. I sanded down the wood filler smooth, wiped off all of the dust I created, and then began spraying my paint. I like to work in one direction, following by the other direction, and consider that one coat to ensure a coverage as even as possible. If you're wondering why I'm spraying inside my garage, it's because it's been raining nonstop for the past 9 days. I lightly sanded with 320 grit in between the two coats. Because this is an all-in-one paint and the top coat is built into the paint, I won't need to seal it. I ordered these sleek pulls off of Amazon, and while deciding which color I preferred, I realized that they were not going to work because every drawer after the first did not have enough spacing for them. So I chose to add a more traditional pull I had bought off of Amazon a while back and had 5 left over in my stockpile. After installing the hardware, that was it, we were done. Now let's remember what this dresser used to look like when we first bought it. Once I redid it the first time, and what it looks like now. I don't know, I feel like it looks like a completely different dresser from the other color I originally had painted it, and I think I like this one better. Let me know which one is your favorite, or if you think I should have done something different. I love y'all, be kind, and I'll see y'all next week. Bye!